Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I've got something awesome for you guys. I'm going to show you a website that's going to pay you $1.50 over and over for every single email that you collect. And I'm also going to give you something really amazing. I'm going to give you a free bonus on how to get more emails and essentially more money online with this method. And I'm going to give you another free complete business model for this method that will really increase your email collection method to get more money and traffic with this method. And also the great part is you don't need any money, skills or experience. And I also want to show you quickly what you can earn with this method. So if I bring out my calculator, okay, let's just say for instance you collect 10 emails only. So I'm going to go 10 times 1.50, which is $15 that you're going to earn by just collecting 10 emails. Let's say you scale a little bit. Let's say you use the free business model method that I'm going to give you at the end of this video, and you scale up to 50 emails. So let's multiply that by $1.50. You're going to earn $75 for just collecting 50 emails. Let's say you scale even more and you collect 200 emails. So let's go 200 multiplied by 1.50. You're going to earn $300 by just collecting 200 emails, which is going to be easy to do if you just watch the steps in this video. But let's get straight into the platform. And the platform that I want to show you is called offervault.com, which is a marketplace or a website where you can participate in various different tasks or offers and earn money for completing these tasks. So you can see there's a whole bunch of tasks on this page that you can get paid for. And obviously the whole idea of this video is collecting emails and getting paid for that. So you can see there's a category button, and if you come down to emails, email, and then you filter by that, there are a whole bunch of different email collection offers or strategies that you can do to get paid for. So you can see the payout says $10, $10, $3, $2.40, $520, but I'm assuming the more the pay, the harder the task or the longer the task will take. But the one that I want to show you in this video is called a Walmart gift card. It's going to be an offer where you're going to collect emails or to a page that's going to pay people Walmart gift cards. So you want to search Walmart in the search bar, $500 gift card, and you will see it's going to pop up. It's going to pop up with a Walmart $500 gift card, email submit at $1.50, and you want to click on this. It's then going to open a page called Walmart $500 gift card, email submit. You can see you are going to get $1.50 per every single email that you collect on this page. And you'll see in the top right corner there's a big button that says full landing page review. So you want to click on this, and it's going to pop up with a landing page that says complete our survey and receive a $500 prepaid Walmart gift card and instantly find out if you qualify. So your goal is to share this page with as many people as possible, to fill this in, and to essentially submit the email, which you'll get paid $1.50 for. I mean, it's a beautiful page, it's really attractive. Find out if you qualify for a $500 Walmart gift card. A lot of people are going to enter their information on this. So you can see question number 1, do you currently live in the United States? You can click on yes. Do you use social media sites such as Facebook? You can click on yes. And do you have a valid email address for confirmation? You can click on yes, and it's then going to ask you to enter your email to calculate your eligibility. And when a user that you refer to this website submits their email, you are going to get paid $1.50 for just one email. So if you get, as I say, 50 emails, that is $75, and you can run this offer anytime. So the more you share this, and remember, I'm going to show you that amazing business opportunity or business model that you can use to really get a lot of traffic to your page, where people will submit the emails and you will get paid for. But I want to show you something even more amazing with the tool Google Trends. And this is a website where you can track the popularity of a specific term or topic. So what I'm going to use, obviously, with the whole idea of this email is a Walmart gift card. So if I search in Google Trends, Walmart gift card, I can track the popularity of the search terms of the specific term. So when people are searching the specific topic, and how this topic is really, how a lot of people are going to want Walmart gift cards with December coming up with the holidays, shopping season, and how this is a good time to really get involved with this model. So you can see Walmart gift card over time. Let's go over the past 7, or let's go 2004 to present. Okay, so you can see from 2004, 2008, 2013, January the 1st to 2018. So you can see the massive spikes. You've got your first big spike in October and April or May 2006. So that is when the first kind of holiday started. And you can see, as if I come to a more modern time, I've got here December 2014. Again, December 2015, again, December 2016, again, December 2017, again, December 2018. So the term Walmart gift card really spikes in the December period, which is time people want to shop for gifts. So that is coming up soon. It's now coming up to October. So this is the ideal time to get involved with the strategy, because I mean, thousands, hundreds of thousands of people are going to be searching Walmart gift cards, which you can then direct this traffic to this page, and I'm going to show you how you can do that, how you can get all of these people to this page to earn $1.50 per email that they submit. So what I want to show you quickly is this business model. So if I come over to YouTube and I come to the homepage, youtube.com, and if I put in the search bar Walmart, the same term, gift card, you can see there's a few videos, Walmart gift card, retailers efforts to stop gift card, how to transfer your gift card, free Walmart gift cards. It's getting a lot of views, 644k, 11k, 3.4k, 7.6k, 7.3k. It is a popular term that is getting a lot of views, and you can see 1 month ago, 6 months ago, 3 months ago. These are recent videos, and what you want to do is you want to maybe create like a 1-minute video explaining how this email submit works, or how you can get a $500 or qualify for a $500 Walmart gift card. You can create a video on YouTube about this and get a lot of views to your channel, or to your video. So what you want to do is, you don't need to show your face, you don't need to record any fancy video, you just need a laptop or a computer with a basic mic, and you can use software such as Open Broadcaster software. So if you go to Google and you go type in Open Broadcaster software, which is the software I use to record my screen. Open Broadcaster software is one of the most popular free programs you can use to record your screen, and you can easily find a basic tutorial of OBS on YouTube to record your screen, to record this offer and essentially upload it to YouTube and get a lot of views and traffic. And you can make multiple videos on this at the same time to get more and more views. For example, this video that got, let's see here, 3.4k views, free Walmart gift card at 3.4k views. Let's say at least 500 people out of that 3.k views clicked on that email and submitted the email. So if I go 500 times 1.50, that is $750. I mean, it could be more than 500 people. Let's say 1,000 people submitted the email. So 1,000 times 1.50 is going to be $1,500 that you can earn for just getting 1,000 emails on this landing page of the Walmart 500 gift card, where people submit the email, which you will get paid $1.50 per email for. And as you can see, OBS is the current screen. There's me, the current screen that I'm recording my screen with, which is really cool. And it's a very simple program to use. It's completely free. As I say, you just need a mic where people can hear you. And what you can do is to really boost your views. If you come over to YouTube again, you'll see I've got a plugin called ToolBuddy, and I can use a keyword explorer. ToolBuddy is a program that you can track various different terms and keys on YouTube, the popularity of that term, if it's getting a lot of views, and you can go to TubeBuddy.com. If I type in TubeBuddy in Google, TubeBuddy.com, and you can add this extension to your Chrome browser. So I do recommend the Chrome browser for the strategy. You can add it and it will then pop up on your YouTube. And the term I'm going to use is, again, Walmart gift card. If I explore this term, you can see it's a fair term, getting a couple of searches, and it's getting plus minus 741,000 traffic, which is a lot of traffic. And you can see terms related to it as well: Walmart gift card codes, Walmart gift card number, Walmart gift card. So these are all terms you can use in the description, the tags, and the title of the video to really rank up your video in the YouTube algorithm to get really a ton of views and essentially a lot of email submissions, which you will get $1.50 for. So this is really an amazing method to get these email submissions. And you can see here the top videos again on these results. You can see the top videos have 57k views, which is really good. So you can also use a term like free Walmart gift card, and you can go explore this term, and you will see this is a good term to use. So you can maybe type in the video or the title of your video, free Walmart gift card, find out if you qualify for a $500 free Walmart gift card. That could be the title of your video, and you are bound to get a lot of views. As you can see, there are not a lot of videos with their title, so it is unique and a lot of people will see it on the top page. But in order to record your video, remember you do need OBS Studio to record your desktop screen like I'm doing right now. This is what the program looks like. So you've got your desktop, and you can add your webcam that you can drag around. You can see your display capture device, which is my desktop screen, which then records my screen. and then you've got your desktop and mic audio at the bottom as well, where you connect your mic. But I use a separate program for my mic called Audacity for my audio. But that is basically how to do the strategy, how to get these email submissions and get a lot of views and a lot of traffic to this full landing page, which you will get $1.50 per email, which is really amazing and really pays well. And as I say, I showed you the potential of what you can earn, so I really do recommend trying this out. But guys, I would really appreciate it if you give it a like on this video. I'm really trying to come up with amazing videos for you guys on how you can make money online. So really, I appreciate the support so much. I appreciate every single one of you subscribed and watching my videos. Like, you guys mean a lot, and I really love doing this for you guys. But if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe down below so I can give you tomorrow's video as well, completely free. I do this all for free for you guys, as I just love helping you guys make money online and sharing my experiences with you. But guys, I'll see you tomorrow, and until then, make sure to comment down below if there's anything you actually want to see as well. But yeah, great, I'll see you in tomorrow's video.